not Mason. Oh my god. Okay then. Well, yeah. Everybody likes Mason. Not. One day, Mason was just walking along the road. It was left of the road. When he suddenly saw a picture of a cow being picked up. And he thought, wow, that's a nice cow. And then suddenly, a luger came. The picture fell down on Mason, but the luger was a smart luger, and it knew that if it just picked up the picture, it could get Mason. And that was what was thought to be the end. The end of Mason's short life.
This is story.